If you're considering kitchen renovations, Kitchener-Waterloo, homeowners should know which upgrades can significantly boost your home's value. As one of the most important rooms in any house, the kitchen often serves as the heart of the home, making it a focal point for potential buyers. In the rapidly growing Kitchener-Waterloo area, where the real estate market is competitive, ensuring your kitchen stands out can make all the difference. This article will delve into the most valuable kitchen renovations you can undertake, tailored specifically for our local market. We'll explore options like modernizing your appliances, updating countertops, and enhancing cabinetry. These upgrades not only enhance functionality and aesthetics, but also provide a solid return on investment. Additionally, we'll discuss the importance of energy efficient improvements and smart technology, which are becoming increasingly appealing to eco conscious buyers in our tech savvy community. Whether you're planning a full scale renovation or seeking smaller updates, understanding which changes can maximize your home's value is crucial. So, if you're ready to transform your kitchen into a space that dazzles and delights while also adding value, you're in the right place. Let's get started on making your dream kitchen a reality. Maximizing ROI with custom cabinetry in Kitchener-Waterloo. When it comes to kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo, investing in custom cabinetry can significantly boost your home's value while enhancing functionality and style. Custom cabinets are tailored to fit your specific space and needs, offering a level of personalization that standard options can't match. In an area where open concept homes are popular, custom cabinetry allows you to maximize storage without compromising on design. This can be particularly beneficial in older Kitchener-Waterloo homes, where space optimization is key. While the initial cost of custom cabinetry is higher than prefabricated units, the return on investment can be substantial. Custom cabinets can last for decades, given their superior craftsmanship and materials. Moreover, they offer the flexibility of incorporating modern features such as soft close drawers and pull-out shelves, enhancing both convenience and appeal. This attention to detail can be a standout feature when it comes time to sell, making your property more attractive to discerning buyers who appreciate quality and efficiency. Work with a local cabinet maker who understands the unique architectural styles in Kitchener-Waterloo. This ensures your cabinetry complements your home's design. Choose durable, high-quality materials like solid wood or plywood, which are more resilient and offer a timeless look. Consider incorporating eco-friendly materials and finishes to appeal to environmentally conscious buyers. Maximize storage with custom features like spice racks, built-in organizers, and adjustable shelving to meet your family's needs. Opt for a neutral color palette that can adapt to changing trends, making it easier for potential buyers to envision themselves in the space. Energy-efficient appliances, a must-have for Kitchener homeowners. When considering kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo, one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is the installation of energy-efficient appliances. Not only do these appliances reduce your household's carbon footprint, but they also lower utility bills, making them a smart investment. In a region where energy costs can fluctuate, having appliances that use less electricity and water can lead to significant savings over time. Additionally, energy-efficient appliances are often a top priority for potential buyers, thereby increasing the resale value of your home. Choosing the right appliances can be overwhelming, given the variety of options available. However, it's crucial to consider the Energy Star rating, which indicates that an appliance meets or exceeds federal energy efficiency guidelines. Appliances such as refrigerators, dishwashers, and ovens are all available in energy-efficient models that offer the same functionality as their standard counterparts, but at a reduced energy cost. Many homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo find that the initial investment in these appliances pays off within a few years through savings on energy bills. Look for appliances with high Energy Star ratings to ensure maximum efficiency. Consider the size of the appliance relative to your needs. Larger units may consume more energy. Opt for induction stovetops, which are more energy efficient and have a faster cooking time. Inquire about rebate programs in Ontario that offer incentives for upgrading to energy-efficient models. Consult with experts like Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys to ensure your renovation choices align with your energy saving goals. Quartz versus granite. Choosing the best countertops for your kitchen or kitchen. When considering kitchen renovations in Kitchener Waterloo, choosing the right countertop material is crucial for both aesthetics and functionality. Quartz and granite are two popular choices, each offering unique benefits that cater to different priorities. Quartz countertops are engineered from natural quartz crystals combined with resins and pigments, making them non porous and resistant to staining. This can be particularly beneficial in homes with young families or frequent cooking activities, as it minimizes maintenance and keeps your kitchen looking pristine. Granite, on the other hand, is a natural stone that offers a one of a kind appearance with its unique patterns and colors. It is highly durable and can withstand heat, making it ideal for avid cooks who love to use their kitchen to its fullest potential. When renovating in the Kitchener-Waterloo region, it's important to consider local trends and the potential resale value of your choices. Quartz has gained popularity in recent years due to its contemporary look and low maintenance needs, which appeals to busy homeowners and potential buyers alike. However, granite remains a classic choice that adds a touch of luxury and timeless appeal to any kitchen. Both materials can enhance the value of your home, but your choice may ultimately depend on personal style preferences and lifestyle requirements. Consider the overall style of your home. Quartz suits modern designs, while granite complements traditional styles. Factor in your lifestyle. If you frequently cook or entertain, granite's heat resistance might be beneficial. Think about maintenance. Quartz requires less upkeep, which can be a selling point for busy families in Kitchener and Waterloo. Visit local showrooms in Kitchener, Waterloo, or Cambridge to see the materials in person before making a decision. Consult with local renovation experts to get insights on how each material holds up in the specific climate and conditions of the Kitchener-Waterloo area. Open concept kitchen designs, enhancing space and value in Waterloo homes. Open concept kitchen designs have become increasingly popular among homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo, and for good reason. These layouts not only create a seamless flow between the kitchen and adjacent living areas, but they also enhance the sense of space, making homes feel larger and more inviting. This can be especially valuable in the Kitchener-Waterloo market, where maximizing space is a key concern for both current homeowners and potential buyers. By removing barriers such as walls or large dividers, an open concept design opens up the room to better lighting and easier traffic flow, which are essential elements that can boost the overall value of your home. While this renovation approach can be transformative, there are practical considerations to keep in mind. For instance, structural changes may be necessary, particularly if load-bearing walls are involved. This could increase the cost and complexity of the renovation. It's advisable to consult with a structural engineer or experienced contractor to assess the feasibility of your design plans. Additionally, open concept kitchens require thoughtful planning in terms of cabinetry and storage solutions to ensure that the space remains functional and clutter-free. Local Kitchener-Waterloo experts can help you strike the perfect balance between aesthetics and practicality, ensuring that your renovation delivers both style and substance. Consult a local professional to assess structural changes, especially for removing load-bearing walls. Plan your storage solutions carefully to maintain a clean and organized look despite the open layout. Consider integrating a kitchen island for additional counter space and seating, which adds functionality without compromising openness. Opt for cohesive flooring and color schemes throughout the open space to enhance the visual flow and unity. Incorporate energy-efficient lighting to make the most of natural light and reduce utility costs. Modern lighting solutions to brighten up Kitchener kitchens. In the world of kitchen renovations, lighting plays a pivotal role, especially in the bustling region of Kitchener-Waterloo, where homeowners are eager to blend functionality with style. Modern lighting solutions not only enhance the aesthetics of your kitchen, but also significantly boost the value of your home. By investing in the right lighting, you can transform a dim, dated space into a warm and inviting hub, ideal for cooking and entertaining. One of the most popular trends in kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo is the incorporation of layered lighting. This approach combines ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a well-lit and dynamic space. Ambient lighting serves as the primary source, often achieved through ceiling fixtures or recessed lights, providing a uniform brightness throughout the kitchen. Task lighting, on the other hand, is essential for areas like countertops and sinks where detailed food preparation and cooking occur. Under cabinet lights are a popular choice for this purpose, offering direct illumination without casting shadows. Lastly, accent lighting, such as pendant lights over an island or LED strips inside cabinets, adds a touch of elegance and highlights the kitchen's architectural features. Consider energy-efficient options like LED bulbs that not only reduce electricity bills, but also have a longer lifespan, making them a cost-effective choice for homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo. For a personalized touch, install dimmer switches that allow you to adjust lighting intensity based on the time of day or the mood you wish to set, providing flexibility and control. If you have an open concept kitchen, coordinate lighting fixtures with the adjoining spaces to maintain a cohesive style throughout your home. Take advantage of natural light by maximizing window spaces and using reflective surfaces or light colors to amplify brightness during the day. Work with local lighting specialists who understand the unique requirements of Kitchener-Waterloo homes and can offer customized solutions tailored to your space. Frequently asked questions? Q. What kitchen renovations are most likely to increase my home's value in Kitchener-Waterloo? A. In Kitchener-Waterloo, kitchen renovations that typically add the most value include modernizing the kitchen layout, upgrading appliances to energy-efficient models, and installing high-quality countertops and cabinets. Open concept designs and islands are popular as they enhance functionality and appeal. These upgrades not only improve aesthetics, but also attract potential buyers, making them valuable investments if you're considering selling your home in the future. Q. How much should I expect to spend on a kitchen renovation to see a significant return on investment? A. The cost of a kitchen renovation in Kitchener-Waterloo can vary widely, but homeowners should expect to spend between 5 to 15% of their home's value to see a substantial return on investment. A mid-range renovation often balances cost with quality improvements, such as updating cabinetry, countertops, and flooring, while adding modern appliances. It's crucial to focus on enhancements that align with the local market trends to maximize resale value. Are there specific design trends in Kitchener-Waterloo that can boost my kitchen's value? A. Yes, certain design trends can significantly boost your kitchen's value in Kitchener-Waterloo. Emphasizing natural light, incorporating eco-friendly materials, and using neutral color palettes are highly desirable. The integration of smart home technology, such as smart lighting and energy-efficient appliances, is also a growing trend. These features not only improve the kitchen's functionality, but also appeal to environmentally conscious buyers looking for modern, efficient homes. Ready to transform your kitchen into a valuable asset? Trust the experts at Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys Kitchener-Waterloo to guide you through a renovation that enhances both style and value. Visit our Kitchen Renovations Kitchener-Waterloo page or check out our Google profile for more insights. Book your free estimate today or call us at 226-894-0234 for a personalized quote. Discover more at kitchenandbathrenoguys.ca. Let's bring your dream kitchen to life.